Come on. Yay, good job. Come on. Come on. Yeah, good job. Yay. Good job. You want to hold my hand and try to walk? No. You poor thing, your clothes are falling off.
And breaks the trail. It also kills ants for up to 4 weeks. Get the protection you need. Rain kills bugs dead.
Will you let me snap the back up on that? Before you jet off. Thanks. Show me what you got.
Hello, my name is Ben Fossey.
And I'm Melissa Fossey, and my company.
Show me what you got.
We're here today to ask for $60,000. 20% of our company. Now, as we all know, there's two types of offers in this world.
I think you're done.